Hi, today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about an order of arachnids called pseudoscorpions. Because they're arachnids, they have 8 legs and 2 body parts. And like their name suggests, they look a little bit like scorpions. But there are a couple of differences, which I'm going to describe to you today. One big difference is that pseudoscorpions don't have venom or the stinging tail telson that scorpions have, which means that they're actually not dangerous to humans. In fact, pseudoscorpions can be beneficial to humans. So here's a picture of a book louse. Book lice can be found in old books eating the glue that holds the pages together. Well, another name for pseudoscorpions is book scorpions, and this is because pseudoscorpions will actually go into old books and eat the book lice that are destroying the books. So this is one way in which pseudoscorpions are an arachnid that are good to have around. Another big difference between pseudoscorpions and scorpions is that pseudoscorpions are usually much, much smaller. In fact, they're usually about 3 millimeters long, which is one of the reasons why you may never have seen one before, even though they can be found all over the world. Most species, however, live in the tropics, usually under leaf litter or in tree bark. How do they get around, you ask? Well, pseudoscorpions do what is called phoresis, which is just a big word to say that they can grab onto other animals and hitchhike their way around. So here's a really zoomed in picture of a crane fly with a pseudoscorpion attached to its leg. Pseudoscorpions will grab onto the other animal, usually an insect, and hang on when the insect flies away. Then the pseudoscorpion can drop off when the insect lands in a new place. This is one way in which pseudoscorpions can get around a lot faster than you might think they can. Another really cool thing that pseudoscorpions can do is that they can make silk like spiders. But unlike spiders, where silk comes from their spinnerets, in pseudoscorpions, the silk actually comes from their mouth. So I hope you learned something interesting about pseudoscorpions, and maybe you'll even see one the next time you crack open an old dusty book.